Hi guys, good morning. From here today is Saturday, and I'm about to go get something to go buy something. I want to go for a client today, and I'm not feeling fine. If not, I've wanted the money since 1 week ago. I would have declined, but now I don't have option. So I forgot to buy chicken cube. I don't have any money with me here in the house, so I'm going to shop to collect money. Then I'll buy it and come down and come back. Yeah, this is currently after 1 p.m. I'm going to start cooking by 6 because birthday is by 8. Yeah, so I'm heading out now, still at home. I bet you should not mind my cap. The sun is too much. I need to cover my face. And I don't have any other thing but this. So let's go. I'm on the sun, man. Hey, go have mercy. My voice is down. I'm having catarrh.
Many hours later.
Hi guys, so the last time we spoke was in the afternoon when I was telling you guys that I just climbed the stairs. Okay. Last time that we spoke was in the afternoon when I was telling you guys that I'm going to shop to collect money to buy something that I forgot to buy. Please don't mind the noise here. That building at back of my window here. Okay, but I'm back for over 3 hours now. And I want to start prepping for the food. Yeah. Like doing the necessary little thing I'm supposed to do. Washing the rice. Washing the meat. Everything. Yeah. That's what I want to do right now. Yeah, so let the vlog start. Hi guys, in case it's your first time, please help me and subscribe. I need it. Subscribe to my channel. God will continue to bless you. Amen. I want to wash the rice. Now. It's there. Let me wash it and soak it. Yeah, that's how I used to do it. So guys, I'll be using pressure pot because I don't know how long it takes for the goat head to be done. So it's better for me to use pressure pot, which I can cook 5 to 10 minutes. It will not be even 10 minutes. The meat is done. And the main ingredient here is the brain. If I put the brain like that, it will scatter in the pot. So you have to tie it with either foil or nylon. Yeah, so this is it. You just throw it in like that. Let me spicy this with my onions. I'll be using this. This is Maggi cube from Star. Maggi cube from Star. So yeah, let me use it to spicy the meat. Then I'll be using this ingredient that I got from an African store. They said it's goat meat flavor. Yeah, goat meat flavor. So I'll just take one from here. One is enough for me. Let me, because this is first time I'm trying it. Don't have to add much. The aroma is good. Then I'll add little salt because I already added Star cube, just small. This is too big. Yeah, so I'll just add little water because there is no, I will not be using the water for anything. Yeah, I will not be using the water for anything, just little. And I'll cook this for 5 minutes and it's done. So guys, the chicken is done. I want to start frying them, so I'm not going to be showing everything I'm doing inside this kitchen because this video is going to be too long, which is not what I want. So I'm going to be cutting and cutting and cutting. Yeah, the chicken is done. I'm about to fry them, as you can see. Yeah, so about frying the chicken. The chicken is so good. I've tested it. It's well spiced, so sweet. I'm still looking for another one to take because it's so good. Oh yeah, take one. Collect it. 1, 2, 3.
Imakwifomelu Pharaoh na Bible. In the book of Otunkwo chapter no dona koko. Osi Pharaoh lapu mo poko kafawaba. Mwamugu julaju iyomo sisena.
Hi guys, the rice is done. Yeah, everything is done. At some point I have to cut the video because my head is scatter. But now everything has turned around for good. I'm done cooking. I'm done. Hi guys, I'm done preparing this here. Sorry I couldn't show you guys like I said before because at some point I don't know what I was in again. My head is scattering, so I have to cut the video to concentrate. But now I'm done with everything, both the seal and the jollof rice. Look at the jollof rice. I'm taking them to the birthday party center now. Yeah, this is it. For this year we giving. So delicious. Guys, I'm done. From the look of my face, you know I'm tired. Like seriously tired. I'm very, very tired. So I'm ending this video here. So thank you guys for watching. Thank you for coming back to my OGs. Thank you. If you are new here, please subscribe to my channel. Yeah, I'm done. Want to take my shower, then I head down to go and deliver the food. Yeah.
30 minutes later.
It's okay, live your life. You are late your life. It's spiritual life is shining. Think of that. Let's go. Okay, we're about to call this guy. We're only going to stand up because God is love. When we stand up, we're talking. You are talking already now. Somebody say L. Say O. Say P. Say E. Love.
Amen.